Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this amazing drink. So guys, this drink is green juice. So guys, juice, the benefit of this juice is going to help you to clean your body, to clean your skin, to look more younger, and also for weight loss when you want to lose some weight. So guys, this drink will help you, and also this drink will detoxify your body, and also this drink, it will help you to clean your blood. So guys, this drink, it have a lot of benefit, guys. So, and also this drink is going to repair your body for you. This drink is medicinal. So let me take you guys into the video. Let me show you guys how I achieve this amazing juice. So guys, this juice, I make it like 3 glass. It's 3 glass here, guys. So this juice, I'm going to be taking it first thing in the morning, and before I take my lunch I will take 1 glass, and before I go to bed I will take 1 glass. So guys, let me take you guys into this video. So guys, let's get started and let's do this together. Yeah, I have all my ingredients here. So I have my cucumber. So I'm going to be using 1 cucumber and half, and I have my ginger, 3 tablespoons of ginger. So I have my 2 lime, and I also have 2 green apple. So guys, this is what I will be using in this recipe. So I'm going to be keeping this aside. So guys, yeah, this is what we need today. So keep watching and let's get started. First, I have to slice my cucumber. So I'm going to be using 1 big one and half. So because I'm going to be making like a 3 glass to detoxify my body, to clean my body, to clean my blood, to looking younger, and for weight loss. So guys, cut it in little pieces, then I will wash everything together. Yeah, so keep this aside because I will not blend this lime with this cucumber. So I will keep this aside. Later I will, so yeah, to remove the back a little bit, not too much. Just want to scrape it, just scrape it a little bit. So guys, this is it. So guys, I'm going to be washing this ingredients now. I'm going to wash it. Okay, put my blender here. I'm going to be straining the juice now. So strain it like this. So I'm going to strain everything like this, guys. I've strained the first one that I blend. So I'm going to be blending the last one now. So this last one I'm going to be adding also. Guys, I'm going to blend again. Well, this is what I got. So I'm going to use it to extract the juice of the lime. So I already finished extracting the juice. Just use this one too. I'm going to mix everything together with this. This is what we have here. It's ready. So yeah. I have 3 glasses here, guys. So guys, I have 3 glasses here. I'm going to be drinking this in the first thing in the morning, and before my lunch I will take one, and before I will go bed, before I will go to sleep, I will take the other cup, other glass. Yeah. So guys, this drink it's going to detox your body, clean your body, to belly fat. Take it all the time, maximum 3 times in a week. So I hope you guys like this video. So guys, if you like this video, I want you to give me a huge thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video like this, you will be the first to be notified. So guys, thank you guys for stopping by. I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Remember, let me God bless you guys. Bye.